Hi, so in this video I'm going to share with you how to solve simultaneous equations using the substitution method. Okay, so what is substitution method? It is to express one variable in terms of another variable, alright, and then use that new expression as a substitute. Okay, so let me explain how to do this. So we have two equations here. So first we label the equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Alright, you can use any of the equations to perform the substitution. Alright, of course it is generally easier to use an equation if one of the variables coefficient is 1. Okay, that can help you to avoid fractions during substitution, but of course in some cases you don't have that option. Alright, so in this question here we can see that for equation 1 the coefficient of x is already 1, which makes our life easier. So what we can do is, from equation 1 we can say that since x plus 10y is equals to 5, I can rewrite it to say that x is 5 minus 10y. Okay, the plus 10y you bring over becomes negative 10y. And now I can call this equation 3. So now the next step is to say we will substitute 3 into the other equation. Okay, so you must understand that since I obtained 3 from 1, I must substitute 3 into the other equation, which is 2. Okay, so what is equation 2? Equation 2 is 2x plus 14y equals to 1. Alright. Okay, so let me continue this over here so there's more space. So let me rewrite it. 2x plus 14y is equals to 1. And since x has been solved to be equals to 5 minus 10y, I will replace the x here with the new expression for x. Okay, so 2, 5 minus 10y plus 14y is equals to 1. Alright, so now we perform the expansion here. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times minus 10 is minus 20y plus 14y equals to 1. Okay, so 10 minus 6y equals to 1. Alright, so minus 6y is equals to minus 9y is equals to, okay, 9 over 6, which is equals to 3 over 2. Alright, so now that we have solved for y, we can substitute this back into the equation 3. Okay, so we know from equation 3 that x is equals to 5 minus 10y, which is 5 minus 10 of 3 over 2. Alright, so here we can simplify. 2 and 10 will become 5. So 5 times 3 will give me 15. So 5 minus 15, which will be minus 10. Alright, so the final answer here would be that x is equals to minus 10, okay, and y is equals to 3 over 2. Okay, so that's the final answer for this simultaneous equation. Alright, so this is the substitution method where we represent one variable in terms of another and then use that new expression to then solve for the unknown values or unknown variables. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.